Alright, in this mod I'm going to show you how to make an ellipse. So what I want you to do is make an 8 by 8 cube. This is just all 8. So make an 8 by 8 cube. This is the one ellipse drawing. So in this drawing you're going to be drawing, draw all of the drawings. So that means 1 elliptical, that's this what we're drawing right now, and 4 ISO, which are these that are attached right here. And some of these are kind of hard, so don't, if you get in them and you get frustrated, I'm not here to help you. Don't get frustrated. I promise you I will make them all easier than you think they are, I promise. All right, so here is how we're going to put, we're going to do a number of ellipses here, okay? So first thing we have to do is click this little button right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an X through here. Okay, did not click that. Through here. And I'm going to put I'm going to put an ellipse up here. And first I have to press F5 to make sure that I'm drawing the right. If you press F5, it cycles between the different ellipses. So notice when I press F5, these lines change. So if you notice that these lines going this way and this way are the same as these lines, you can tell that this is the right face. So this is the top view. If I press F5 again, now the lines that are going up and to the down on the left and the right are the same as these lines going up and down on the left. This is the right face and this is the left face. So it'll tell you right down here too when you're changing what you want. It'll say top. So if you want top, it's clearly this. So then you type ellipse, EL, enter, I for ISO, and now I click here and there we go. So let's say the radius is 2, I'll type 2 and press enter. All right, we're going to do that. Let's say that the ellipse is over here and it is, let's say, 4N, and these are the directions I want you to do. So you're going 4 at 30 degrees, and now I want you to go 2 at 90 degrees, and we're going to draw an ellipse right here that has a radius of, let's say, 2. So I need to change the cursor, so I'm going to press F5 until it says right, because this is the right side, and this is the right cursor, the ISO plane right. So I'm going to type EL for ellipse, click that. I'm going to type I for ISO, enter, and there's my ellipse. I'm going to type 2 and 0. Okay, now I'm going to do one over here. L for line tool. I'm going to go this way, let's say 4 at 150, and I'm going to go down 6 at 270. And now I'm going to do an ellipse with a radius of 1. So I need to get the right ISO face first. So I'm going to press F5, and that's the left plane. So I'm going to type EL for ellipse, enter, and I'm going to press I for ISO, click here, and press 2. Okay, so now I'm going to explain what I want you to do in this drawing here. Where is this at? Okay, so these drawings are basically what we've been doing. So this drawing is kind of easy. You're just going to go out here 1.14, and to get this angle right here, you're going to have to do a little bit of, well, actually, here's what you do. You go 1.4 this way. This whole line is 2.34, which is 2.75. So 2.75 to here, and then you're going to get to this point, which is 1.5. So you go 1.5 to get here, and then you just connect these two lines. If that makes sense to you, that's good. And now if you get frustrated, that's okay. Just do what you can until I get here on Tuesday. And this is a challenging one. This is my favorite one out of these drawings right here. So start on this one if you want. If you want a challenge, start on this. So let's see, anything that you would need to know. When you get to this section, just pick one of these numbers. Both of these measurements will work, so just pick one of them. They're so close to one another. And this is a unique drawing here where you will be using, you will be creating a drawing that doesn't look necessarily like this, because we're not doing 180 and 0 degrees here. You're still drawing this isometrically, so these lines will be going up a little bit. So the drawing you make is not going to look like this. You're still going to use the measurements, though. They still work.